right, welcome to BioResource and Ag Engineering Department. So Ziva and I were sitting here thinking about the class of freshmen that are coming in. They're coming in a few weeks. We're ready for them, aren't we, Ziva? Yep, and we thought, man, we better talk and reach out to our freshmen that are going to come for next year. So if you're a senior in high school and getting ready to come, you should be looking for an engineering or an ag tech position with its hands-on. You want a program where you can really get down and do some welding and fabrication, then come to Cal Poly. This is a great place to come and live and to come to the BioResource and Ag Engineering or the Ag Systems Management programs here at Cal Poly. So how do you learn more? Well, you can contact me, Dr. Livingston, at paliving@calpoly.edu, and that'll be on at the end of the video as well. And you can follow BRAE on Facebook or Instagram.
Our major is definitely probably the most hands-on out of all the engineering, but probably out of a lot of the majors here.
Now we're going to show you the 7 BRAE labs offered to students in the BRAE department. Cal Poly BRAE is a unique department that allows students to put their knowledge to the test in a learn-by-doing manner.
This here is Lab 1. In Lab 1 we have circular saws, table saws, belt sanders, and drill presses. Each shop also comes with its own tool board, fully equipped with all the tools you'd need for any kind of project. BRAE 129 is one of the first classes you take as a BRAE student, where it teaches students about the proper tool use and familiarization with shop equipment. This is outside of Lab 1. Students are taught the proper mixtures for concrete. Inside those tubs are different kinds of mixtures. Lab 2, this is our irrigation classroom, where students learn about fluid mechanics, specifically water, and the designing of irrigation systems. Each class has a 3-hour lab associated with it, where students are demonstrated what they have learned in lecture. This is Lab 3, our electronics classroom. Students take courses on online design programs such as hand drafting, AutoCAD, and SolidWorks. Some of the robotics courses, as well as some of the electricity courses, are also taught in this classroom.
And some of the stuff we like to do on the BioResource side of things is we like to grow things, okay? We like to grow plants. We have aquaponics system and a hydroponic system. We like to grow fish over here. And so we have some largemouth bass, some catfish, some sturgeon. And we like to have this stuff here for the students to get their hands wet, to get their hands dirty, and to really learn what it means to grow food. So one of the things we're interested in the BioResource and Ag Engineering Department is figuring out where our protein is going to come from for future generations. So one area is mealworms, one area is crickets. So this is a freshman project, BRAE 128, which will be the class you take when you come here to Cal Poly. The first class you take, Introduction to BioResource and Ag Engineering, and they built basically a cricket farm for hatching crickets so that we can feed them to the fish.
All right, so my name is Garrett Forbes. I'm the advisor for the Cal Poly Tractor Pull Club and team. So 2 different kind of things we have going on here. The Tractor Pull team is responsible for maintaining these 2 tractors you see behind us. We have Mustang Legacy and Poly Thunder over here. This tractor was designed and built in-house by students in several different senior project and capstone design classes. So everything you see here was built by students in our department, in the shops.
BRAE has 5 main clubs throughout the department. Overarching these clubs is the Agricultural Engineering Society. This main club also incorporates Tractor Pull, Quarter Scale, Grow Crew, and the Precision Agricultural Automation Club. These clubs give students the abilities to explore every part of the BRAE department.
Hi, my name is Ryan Emery, and I'm the Agricultural Engineering Society President. This club is a professional club within the department that hosts general meetings every month to bring students together and network with industry. This club also hosts a career fair every year, at the beginning of February, to bring students with industry and get them internships. This club is fun. We do activities. Yeah.
Hi, my name's Bradley. I'm going to talk a little bit about the Cal Poly Tractor Pull Club and team. Cal Poly Tractor Pull is one of the biggest things that kind of convinced me to come here to Cal Poly. It's been something fun that I've done for the past 4 years, and I think it's something that you should definitely consider coming into Cal Poly. Basically, these tractors back here, the club is responsible for maintaining and putting on the tractor pull show every year during open house. We also travel and follow the PTPA circuit all over California, and we take turns driving these things. If you're more involved With the team, you get to drive and maintain the tractors and work on them. If you're more involved with the club, you get to help us put on our big event during open house, and all the funds that we earn from that go to scholarships that end up going back to you. So if you're more interested in just being involved in a club setting, Cal Poly Tractor Pool is a great way to get involved in the department and to end up getting yourself a scholarship. If you're more involved in mechanics and want to end up driving these someday, you can become involved in the team. There's no right or wrong way to go about it. You can get involved however you want. So I highly recommend it.
Hi, my name is Grant Dirksen. I'm a BioResource and Agricultural Engineering major here at Cal Poly, and this is the quarter scale tractor design team. We design and build the tractor that you can see behind me, and we take it to a competition every year in Illinois that competes with the American Society of Ag and Biological Engineers against around 30 other schools. We have multiple majors, and we're a very interdisciplinary club that designs and builds the entire tractor.
Hi everybody, my name is Megan and I am the president of Grow Crew. Grow Crew is a club that is dedicated to all aspects and technologies of sustainable farming. We are housed under the BioResource and Agricultural Engineering department, and their labs allow us to house and work on many of our projects. Our past projects have included vertical farming systems such as aquaponics, aeroponics, and hydroponics, aquaculture systems, and growing sustainable fish feed. We have partnered with companies in the past to do research on our vertical farming systems. We have so many more fun projects planned for the future, and if you are interested in anything sustainable agriculture, we would love for you to join us.
Hi, my name is Fletcher East, and I'm a fourth year software engineering major. I am the president of the Precision Agriculture Automation Club here at Cal Poly, and we participate in the ASAVE robotics competition every single year. For that, we build a lot of robotic stuff that has to do with agriculture and automation, and primarily we focus on working with other students and other faculty members in the BRAE department to build those robots and learn more about automation in the agriculture.
Boy, by now you're thinking, wow, this looks like a fun place to get my degree. And that's because it is. You'll be making $65,000 when you get out. You'll be thrilled. You'll have had some internships. Okay, so now that you've been around the place, I want to give you a tour personally or talk to you about what's coming up. You can also come to our big recruiting event, which will be Fall Preview, which hopefully it'll be in person, but it might be virtual. So we'll have to see on that. But again, please follow us on Instagram or Facebook, and we'll catch up with you later in the fall.